What's going on, XFactor family? It has been a while since I've done a challenge, actually almost a whole entire year. When I did the 10K challenge, beasted it, came through with the win. So today we are going to commence 11,000 calories, plus a little more. The first meal of the day, we're starting off with only 14 Pop-Tarts, 14 blueberry toaster pastries, as you see on the box. 200 calories of Pop-Tart, giving us 2,800 calories. All the macros will be on the screen throughout the entire video. I love Pop-Tarts and I love blueberry Pop-Tarts. Let's see how much I like these Pop-Tarts once I'm done. 11,000 calories going down today. I'm going to be sipping on some milk right here. This is some almond milk. 80 calorie almond milk, but we aren't counting liquid calories. You guys know that. Anyways, got my laptop right here. I can do some work. I can watch some YouTube videos. Got my Pop-Tarts right here. This is breakfast. I'm pretty hungry actually, so let's get started. Toasted. Time for a binge break. As the Hodge twins would say it, need a binge break. About halfway through, got 7 left. But I did not charge my camera last night, so I don't want it to die. I don't want to do all this for nothing. But I have 7 left. 4, 3, 7 left. It's going to be 7 left when I come back. I'm just going to throw my camera on the charger real quick, and we can get back to it. Alright folks, we're back, but camera's not looking too good. 2 minutes left. I probably will switch out and record on my phone, which is not a big deal. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Camera's dying. I'm about to switch out. Okay, we're back, guys. Got my phone hooked up where we left off. But I do not know how long my phone is going to record, so I'm going to keep getting up to check it periodically. Just to make sure we're getting everything. We documenting the whole 11,000 calories. Let's get back to work. Okay, I need one more quick break. One more quick break. We got the last stretch. The last stretch. I didn't even know how hard it was. Alright, let me stop playing around. Let me finish this off. Last one's going down. Going down. Going down, baby. Huh? 11K. Want a challenge? Got them Pop-Tarts? 11K?
Yeah.
They just ate 14 of them.
It's a three.
Oh, yeah.
I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count my tots. What you think, man?
Huh?
What you think?
That's a drink.
You got bang?
That's a drink.
Let's see the refrigerator. Oh yeah. This is about done right now. These scraps. These scraps really count.
Remember Leo just said, Dolly.
Get the milk.
Huh?
Milk. Alright. Pop-Tart's done. Because I said so. Whew. Now I gotta go to work. Drop my son off. And then go to work. So I'm gonna start the next meal. Matter of fact.
Daddy, I should get a little.
I might take a nap in the car. Boy. Got the itis, man.
In the car.
I'm gonna try not to, man, but I'm a little tired now, man. A little tired. What's going on, XFactor family? You know, I can't lie to you guys. Those 14 Pop-Tarts did something to me, man. I think it was the amount of sugar that was within them, but man, I've just been drowsy and tired all day since then. I finished those up about 8 o'clock. It is 12:20 right now. So a couple hours have went by. Not that much, only 4. And now I'm headed into the gym. Don't need a pre-workout snack at all. I'm still full. You know, I'm getting my appetite back, but definitely need some more time. But I'm gonna go ahead and train legs, burn some calories, get some cardio, and then hopefully when I finish my workout, I will be hungry again, and then I can move on to the next meal. So that's the plan of attack. About to go ahead and get about an hour 30-minute workout, and then we'll go ahead and get some more food. So stick with me. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm feeling better right now. I'm just feeling good. I worked out, I trained, I got some squats in, I got some leg extensions, and I got some hamstring curls, some leg curls. And I was talking to a guy from my job, so he was throwing me off my workout, prolonged my workout, so I couldn't do more exercises. But it's all good, man. I'm hungry again, so that's good. The Pop-Tarts finally have went down, and I'm feeling better, so it's time to go get some more food. So let's grub. Can you be my baby daddy? I'm like, yeah. Everyone to see that one more time. How can I help you today? Can I get a Angry Whopper? Can I get a double Whopper, just a sandwich?
Cheese and bacon on that?
Yes. Can I get a large fry and an order of chicken fries?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Cut it. cut it, 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 cut it.
What's going on, X Factor family? Back home. As you see, I got the screen ready. Got some YouTube on. Christian Guzman, summer shredding. About to catch up on that. And I have delicious Burger King. You saw me order it. Pulled up. Got everything I needed. Calories and macros are on the screen right this moment. I'm probably underestimating that Angry Whopper because it has a lot of things on it, but the double Whopper for sure has the cheese and the bacon and everything is accounted for. Got the fries, got the chicken fries. It's about to go down. Finishing up, getting this 11 calories. It's pretty late, guys. It's 2:50 right now, and we've only ate Pop-Tarts. We've only consumed 2,800 calories. This right here is probably going to bring us to a halfway point. I'm really not sure, but like I said, it's on the screen. Anyways, we need to stop talking. We need to just eat. We need to eat. Let's get it in.
Like right here, works on every single camera that we use except for the A7S II. I don't know why, but it just cuts the audio out. So I realized that after 2.5, 3 hours of recording. So I'm gonna run you through the day really quickly. All right, and we're gonna lay over some clips from this morning. Started out, woke up around 11:30. I weighed in at 182.8 pounds. Run through it. Try to record everything we can, but really should focus on getting hard.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
What's up, shorty?
So I got my tooth full.
I told you you had a cavity.
So they put my tooth.
Just got the phone with my wife. Slowed me up a little bit. But we're about to get back to it. Hit play.
I mean, I feel satisfied.
Let's go.
Satisfaction.
Finished, man. Finished. It was pretty good. I haven't had Burger King in a long time, which is why it was so good. And never had the Angry Burger and the Angry Whopper. I think my cheeks getting fat. Had an Angry Whopper and the jalapenos was hot. But anyways, this is what we got right here. Everything empty, complete. This was just water. And as you see, I only was sipping it. I actually still have a lot left. So, yeah. That's it for right now, man. I'm gonna kick back on the couch. It looked like it stopped raining. See, the problem was I wanted to cut the grass today, but it was raining all day, which means the grass is wet. You don't want to cut the grass when it's wet. It takes a long, long time. So I'm gonna end up doing that tomorrow. What I will do, 3 o'clock, what I will do is probably wash my car. I'm not sure. I told y'all that the other day. I said I was gonna wash my car before I go out of town, but that didn't happen. And I'm saying it now that I'm gonna wash my car, and that probably won't happen either. I probably will do all that tomorrow. But anyways, let me kick back on the couch, relax, digest this food, and I'm gonna check with you guys at the next video.
Hated to it. Love that don't related to it. Coming through with the family. Get it. Money keep a nigga motivated. We all need a little motivation.
Can I get a kid's meal, chicken strips, and french fries? And then can I get 2, matter of fact, no, let me get 3 chili cheese coney meals. Sorry, let me switch that. Let me get 2 of those meals, and let me just get 1 regular chili cheese coney by itself. Instead of the fries, can I get tater tots?
Daddy.
All right, appreciate it. What's up, man? What's up?
I said chicken nuggets. I said chicken nuggets.
Yeah, he said chicken nuggets and french fries. That's what he said. You didn't hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so chicken nuggets and french fries.
What did it say?
Huh?
What you say?
What did I say? I'm gonna get a hot dog. I'm gonna get 2 hot dogs, 2 chili cheese hot dogs, and mommy's gonna get 1 too.
Why mom couldn't get just like you?
Cause mommy like hot dogs. You like hot dogs?
No, mommy wants the same one like me.
No, mommy said she wanted a hot dog, man.
Huh?
Mommy said she wanted a hot dog.
I want to have a hot dog.
Me and my young boy over here at Sonic's had to get the 3rd meal of the day. Hooking it up, got 2 coney dogs,
Oh, make
2 regular chili cheese coney. I think I said chili cheese. I hope I said chili cheese. Yeah, 2 of those tater tots, large. I think I got the large. Oh, I done jacked up my order. Let me improvise real quick.
Daddy, Mom, you want that?
Can I just get a dozen glazed? Get 12 of them glazed things, boy. 12 of them glazed donuts. 12 glazed donuts. Glazed donuts. Yeah, man. Stop playing around.
Huh?
Get some of them donuts, man.
Donut.
Yeah, man. Stop playing with these donuts. I'm contemplating on eating these hot dogs while I'm driving. It's gonna be hard to record that, but they're not as big as I thought. Maybe I should have got the foot long. But anyways, yeah, we got these donuts. I'm gonna have a couple of those. I'm gonna share some with the youngin back there. The youngin oh, so there you go. Young and reckless. Am I right? So, see what we got. I got this. I'm sipping on this Diet Coke though. So I have no idea why they gave me 2, but they gave me 2 dozen of these bad boys, and I paid for 1. So I'm thinking they hooked me up. I'm gonna take it as a hookup, and we're gonna enjoy all of them.
Yes.
Finally home, about to grub on these chili cheese dogs. My wife already got started. Let's get to it. What you say, boo? Got your food? You ready? So 1, 2, say ready, set,
What?
My hair gonna think it's basically sitting here stuffing his face.
Ah. Wait. It's gone. Get some of that, girl. You alright? It's alright? We here. We got 4,300 calories left. Let's do it. What can you see?
Yeah.
Oh, can you see now?
Yeah, baby, it's
Oh, can you see now? Okay. Good.
how you feeling?
Huh? I'm good.
You hungry? Alright.
After like 2 bites, I'm like, I ain't hungry no more. I ain't hungry no more. I know you wish you could get some, but I can't do it. Can't do it. Get focused. There we go.
It's not fair to ask me that, Hakeem. I didn't create the situation.
What's going on, family? So I'm finishing off. We'll go ahead and tap out. Cutting it now. 8,715 calories. Today defeated me. I don't know why. Maybe I've been in a caloric deficit for too long. My stomach just can't handle it. I could probably force down a couple of those donuts, but I'm just not going to. I'm tapping out. I'm calling it quits. Don't judge me though, but 11,000 calories not going down. 10,000 calories isn't going down. So only got 8,000 a day. That's what I'm ending with. It's late. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and I just do not feel like eating anymore. Just drinking on this water, trying to get all this down. But anyways, that's it for the challenge. Got a good amount of carbs, good amount of fats, and I'm good. I'm calling it quits. So, like, comment, subscribe. Don't talk too much junk in the comment section, but hey, if you can do it, show me. Tag me in one of your videos. I don't know if you can, but send me the video. If you do the 10K challenge, I already did the 10K challenge, conquered that, but try and do it again. Not ready for it. Maybe when I go on my next bulk, maybe I'll do so, but it's not happening today. But I'm not gonna make excuses. Hey, I'm just tapping out, calling it quits. So like the video if you made it this far. Comment something, say something, and I'll check with you guys in the next challenge if I do one. But yeah, this is basically a year being on YouTube. I started my channel I think like around May 9th last year. So that's what it is, man. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.